Hey y'all, welcome back to Life with Me. I'm back with another video. And y'all, this is going to be another look featuring one of my eyeshadow palettes. And this, I don't know what I'm going to be doing or how it's going to look. Remember, this is not a tutorial. This is just to highlight my eyeshadow collection, okay? Because today, I am going to be using the Smoke Sessions eyeshadow palette by Melt Cosmetics. Hey y'all. Okay y'all, Melt Cosmetics. A long time ago, when I was doing my few little anti-hauls I counted the Smoke Sessions as anti-haul because of its theme. But I had to get it because of the beautiful greens and golds. I love golds on my eye, and greens are my favorite color. But I've never attempted a look using this eyeshadow palette. And it only has these two mattes right here. So we're going to see what's going to happen, okay? But first, I'm going to do my base real quick because I just uploaded a video probably about 3 or 4 days ago where I used the Pat McGrath concealer, but I forgot I have the Pat McGrath powder, so I want to show you how that works out. So let me go through my base real quick so you can see. And I do have one new product. I got this from, well, the idea from Naima Tang. She said this is a good this good corrector for discoloration around your mouth. It is the Tinted Huestick in the color Found. This is what the packaging looks like. Here's the stick, and it is like a really orange, burnt orange looking color. So I'm going to be using this to do the discoloration around my mouth. So let's get at it. So now for under my eyes only, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. This is what it looks like. Comes in 3 shades. I have it in deep, and remember, it is for under eyes. So I'll just be using that under my eyes, and for the rest of my face, just the Laura Mercier powder. Okay y'all, this is my base. I put the concealer and the powder. I did use the Pat McGrath under my eyes. It's very light, very powdery, very soft, and I do see some blurring. Okay, so I will be back with my eyebrows done and my rest of my face done, and then we'll go into the eyeshadow. Okay y'all, I'm back. Got the base done, and I'm going in on the eyes. I already put my primer on. I used the Thrive Cosmetics again, as I did in this other video. And once again, we're going in with the smokestacks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. No orange. I don't know what to do. Should I use an orange? No, I'm gonna go all green. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go with this. I don't know which one is darker. These are the 2 mattes. Okay. I think I'm going with this in the crease and this in the outer V. So I'm going with Space Queen in the crease and Sour Diesel in the outer V. Let's see what happens. Y'all, this is totally out of my comfort zone. So all I did was tap it in there, and now I'm just going in circles, and it's going to be in the transition area and the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go in the outer V. I'm just gonna use this brush with Sour Diesel. Tap that on there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my, where I put it at? Wing gauze, and bring that into the center. And soften it up, I guess, I don't know. Use a clean brush and go up here. This is shedding. This is a Sonia G Worker 3. Sonia G Worker 3, and I got a shed hair right up there. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with gold on these eyes because that's too much green. Okay, so I'm gonna use a Granddaddy. That's the middle of him. I'm gonna use Granddaddy on my eye. It's like a greenish yellow. Just keep going. I'm going to my eye with Sour Diesel. Not under my eye, my lower lash line. All right, I'll be back with the finished look. Girl, y'all, I mean, for somebody who did not know what she was doing, this look came together. My niece laughing at me, but that's cool. Girl, I'm a cougar. I'm a cougar. I like it. It came
down, Tiger.
It came together. I don't really like these eyelashes, but it has come. I like it. This is not nothing I would wear anywhere though, y'all. But yeah, this is the final look. It came together. I did not do anything with the eyeshadow when I went off screen, except put some in my inner corner and then put on some eyeliner, heavy eyeliner. That was it. Y'all, this is going to be a fun series. I can't wait to try the next eyeshadow. Well, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for riding with me. Appreciate you. Hope y'all doing fantastic. And I'll see you in another video.